All right, guys, welcome into the $100 dividends only portfolio part 2. That's right. This is the second video because we made our second $100 deposit, and I'm going to go over what I bought and how the portfolio is kind of doing. Like I said, we just started the dividends. We got our first little bit of dividends earlier in the month. I'm going to share all the details of that, so let's get to it. You can see here the 3 stocks that I do have on the account. They're the same as the last 3 from the last video, and I added to those positions. So ticker symbol ORC, now I have a total of 20 shares. Ticker symbol SLVO, I have a total of 10 shares. And USOI, I have a total count of 15 shares. So we've been building those up, trying to keep them pretty even. I wanted to load up a little bit extra on the USOI because that is the Credit Suisse for oil. Oil right now is taking off like crazy. And you can see here my total loss and gain. You can see my average cost here on my ORC stock is $2.96. And the stock is currently trading at $3.08. Now they don't count after hours on Fidelity. But we are up about 2% on that one. SLVO, we are currently down. Average price is $4.98. The stock's currently at $4.51. So we are down on that one about 9.5%, unfortunately. Ticker symbol USOI. Average cost is $5.59. And the stock is trading at $5.61. And we're up 0.42%. So the portfolio right now, with the $200 that I put in, I'm down a total of 35 cents here because that does include the dividend. So what I want to go over here is to the activities and orders of this account and look at the 60 days on this. So here you can see we did the first video. We added the $100 on April the 14th. We bought the stocks here on the 14th, started out the portfolio, and on 4/25 received our first dividend of USOI of 98 cents for those shares that we had. And on the 25th, we also received a 67-cent dividend on that was the silver SLVO shares, and we have not received dividends yet for ORC. But as you can see, we transferred them the $100 on the here on May the 3rd, and we went in and bought more. We bought more USOI, we bought more SLVO, and we also bought ORC as well. So we were buying those up. And let's go take a look here at the potential dividends coming into the account we can be looking forward to. So let me go back here to the position. So ORC, we have total 20 shares. The next dividend for ORC is actually going to be paid this Friday, and it's about 4.5 cents per share. So we're looking at about 80 cents coming in for the dividend on ORC. Like I said, pretty nice dividend, guys, 18.37%. And that is the position we're up. And we'll keep buying into this one a little bit each month. Or comment down below if we should add different stocks to the portfolio. I do kind of like adding these monthly dividends because it gives me more content to create monthly dividend updates. All right. So the next stock here is SLVO, currently paying a 16.9% dividend yield. And our next payment date is actually going to be tomorrow. And we're going to have about 6.25 cents per share. So we'll just say 6 cents. And of SLVO, we have a total of 10 shares. So that's about 60 cents or so. We're going to get a little over 60 cents, maybe 62 cents or so we're going to get on that. So trust me, guys, it's small. We're doing $100 a month, and we're going to see these monthly dividends add up. And I'll probably just start creating a spreadsheet of the monthly dividends and how much we're getting as we keep doing the $100 a month. And this is something that everyone can follow with us, guys. This is something I'm just doing for fun. I'm doing it as a YouTube play along kind of series. You do as you want. You can pick whatever stocks you would like. I'm just sharing my experience of the stocks that I chose. And I'm choosing these because I like oil right now. Oil is kind of the hot commodity right now. I may sell out of that when oil starts to come down because the price will probably drastically change on that. But right now, I'm going to soak up those monthly dividends until the economy turns around. Now here on SLVO with the silver, I believe silver is going to be in high demand as well. So as you can see, the Credit Suisse X-Link Silver shares. Cover calls April 21st, 2033. I think right now, commodities like silver, gold, oil and gas, all that's holding up very well. So I wanted a little bit of oil. I wanted a little bit of commodity. So we got some silver in there. Like I said, comment down below if you have other great stocks that have a high dividend yield. That's what I'm looking to get. And these kind of fit the economy right now with how everything is going. All right, and the last one here is the big one, USOI. This is the Credit Suisse AG Crude Oil Covered Call ETN. Now, this one, 49.32% dividend yield. Yes, that is insane. Currently, that stock is trading at $5.61, and the annual dividend is about $2.73. So basically, they're paying out all the dividends they can. So, like I said, guys, I will probably sell out of this, just not right now, because as you're going to see, the dividend is fantastic. And of USOI, we have 15 shares, and that is currently going to be paying me actually tomorrow 22 cents per share, maybe about 23 the way it rounds up here. So yeah, that's almost about a little less than $3, about $3, a little over $3. So we may get about $5 or $6 in dividends. That's pretty exciting for a little $100 portfolio a month. This is only the second month. So I definitely wanted to bring you all an update on this. So we go back here and take a look. Like I said, 20 shares at ORC, 10 shares at SLVO, 15 shares at USOI. We still have $8.80 left of buying power. I was saving that to when we add the next $100, which will be sometime in the first week of June. I will add another $100 to this portfolio, and we will, of course, do update videos as we get the dividends in here. Now, like I said, this first month we did not get dividends for ORC because we bought into it, but it was after the declaration record date. So right now we are about $1.65 in dividends for the first month. Now, by the time this month's over, it's going to be really exciting to see how much dividends we're up to, because $1.65 the first month, but it's going to be probably like $7, $8 in dividends already. Now, like I said, these are very risky stocks in a sense, because if oil crashes, that price will come down. If silver and commodities go down, that price will come down. So when the market starts to rotate back up with like the mid caps, large caps and all, I probably will sell out of those and maybe buy in the day or two before the dividend date. So I will try to time that a little bit. Like I said, these stocks I think are a little risky. People have warned me of them. So I just want to make sure that if you are looking to get into these, make sure you do some research. Like I said, my plan is to hold these while the market is very volatile right now and take advantage of these crazy dividend yields, man. And hopefully build those up, get more shares, sell it out for maybe a little bit of a profit. And yeah, just keep the dividends rolling in. So I'll be back with another update video after we get the dividends in and we get the next $100 in and show you the purchase that I did. But I'm happy to bring you an update on part 2 of the $100 dividend portfolio series. Comment down below your favorite dividends only stocks, preferably 1 month stocks, because it's great for the content. So if you have great quarterly stocks as well, comment those down below. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'll catch you all in the next video, guys. Peace.